Hello, I'm Anita. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wreath. We're going to do two versions for Christmas and then this one, which is a great wreath for a wedding or for any time of year. For this you'll need some greenery, some secateurs, a wire ring, you can get this from the florist or I got mine online, some garden wire, some wire cutters and some Christmas decorations. Now I like to cut my wire in small bits before I start, I find it easier. Now take two pieces of the greenery and with the garden wire, attach them to the wire ring, poke the wire through and twist it round. And then when you've finished twisting, you can just hide it at the back of the ring. Now when you put the greenery on, it's good to follow the natural curve, and that goes naturally on the ring. If yours doesn't fall naturally, then you can tie it in two places just to make sure that it does fall in a circle. So again, using the garden wire, twist it round and then tuck it behind so you can't see it. And you do this all around the ring. I'll speed this up. There we go. Now, as it's Christmas, I'm going to use some red berries, and it's the same principle. Use the garden wire, attach them to the ring, twist it round, and then hide it behind. I like to do groups of an odd number, I think it always looks better. I'm going to do 5 groups of berries on this one. We'll speed it up again. And then, as it's Christmas, let's put some holly on as well. Always looks lovely. There we go. Now you could leave it just like that, but I'm going to put some Christmas baubles on mine. I've grouped 3 together here, and I'm going to place 3 groups of 3 around the wreath, and then a single one in between. You can add as much as you want. And there we go. Finish off with a red ribbon. Simply pull it tight. There we go. And tie it into a bow. And I like to let the long ends just fall naturally. There we go. Your Christmas wreath. And that looks fabulous on the door. Now here's the gold version. I've used some Christmas decorations that I had last year. And now we have the wedding one. See, these are artificial flowers, which, using the same principle, I've put on the wreath, and it looks fabulous.